Today, we're doing firefighting from the air and mapping this area. We know that one of these fires is going to be at least 850,000 acres, and then trying to go back and do damage assessments in those is our next priority after life safety and stopping the growth of these fires. Many of them still are uncontained or only have single-digit containments. So instead of counting the number of homes lost, what we're devoting our resources to is trying to prevent any other homes from being lost. The danger going forward will be the weather coming up again this weekend, where we're going to see again humidities fall and winds pick up, and making sure that we continue to bring enough resources into that area to minimize that fire growth and eliminate any future property loss. I believe this fire will grow before it gets fully contained. Yes, sir, I do.
Thank you.